Today we will discuss the article power, and it's important as far as O-level physics is concerned. Let's say the concept of power. Let's suppose there are two boys A and B having equal body masses and they lie at the foot of 5-story building. They live on the fifth story of the building. Let's suppose the lift in the building is out of order. A boy A takes a 40 seconds to climb to the top, while the boy B takes 80 seconds. It means the boy A is more powerful than boy B, because both having to do the same amount of work done, but A takes a less time, is more fast as compared to boy B. So therefore A is more powerful than boy B. Now students, we are in a position to define the power. It is defined as power is defined as the rate of work done or energy converted. So it is noted by P, and P is equal to W over T, and it is also equal to E by T. Look at the case here, so P is equal to W over T, or it is equal to energy converted over time. The unit of the work is joule, the unit of the time is second. The unit of energy converted is joule and the unit of time is second. And now we are in a position to define its SI unit, and its SI unit is watt, and it is equal to 1 joule over 1 second, and it is equal to joule per second. So its SI unit is watt, and it is defined as if 1 joule of work is done in 1 second, then the power is said to be 1 watt. And if the energy converted is 1 joule and the time limit is 1 second, then the power is 1 watt. And this equation can be written as W is equal to P into T, or E is equal to P into T. So W is equal to P into T, you just cross multiply W is equal to P into T, and E is equal to P into T. And now we get a conclusion from this result. We get a conclusion from this relation. Power tells us how fast work is being done, or how fast energy is being converted from one form to another form. We draw the conclusion from this relation as power tells us how fast work is being done, or how fast energy is being converted from one form to another form. Let's take the concept of rate of energy conversion from one form to another form. Let's suppose we have the two electric kettles rated. A is equal to, its power is equal to 1000 watt, and electric kettle B rated 500 watt. And if we put the same amount of water, in both the kettles, then the kettle A will convert the electrical energy into thermal energy as double the time, as double the rate as 500 watt kettle. It means the electric kettle 1000 watt, it takes half time to boil the water as compared to the kettle 500 watt. So students, it shows that the kettle A is more powerful as compared to kettle B. So students, that's about the power, and you must know the concept about the power, and next time inshallah we will discuss more things. Thank you all.